We're talking about the tech you can use to make sure that your smartphones are always clean. I mean, you have a smartphone, so keep watching. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. So this video is gonna be a little different. As you all know, I make videos for, well, the non-techie. Basically, I make tech-ish videos for the lifestyle users because, well, in today's time, we're all tech users, and I've found that most tech content is catered towards a traditional techie audience versus everyday users like you and me. Welcome to this new series, which we're calling Tech-ish. In this new series, we're going to be talking about tech stuff that, well, isn't for the traditional tech audiences. Questions that casual tech users like you or me might be asking, chill tips for those who aren't techies, cool lifestyle tech stuff, and yeah, things that are basically tech-ish. Right, and for our first video, and this is a question that I've actually been asked a lot, we're going to be talking about tech that can sanitize your smartphones. So first of all, know that your phone is actually dirtier than a toilet. Yeah. And even if you wash your hands but you don't clean your phone and you're always holding your phone, that's still passing all the dirt around. So this was actually a concern for me, and actually it's a concern for everyone, even before the pandemic. Not only are you passing dirt and diseases with your phone, but you're also making the stuff you touch your phone with prone to acne, aka your face when you're on the phone. I mean, your phone as a source of acne was actually why I got into these devices in the first place. So the first device, and this is a device that I actually started with and first tried, would be the phone soap. Literally, it's called phone soap because it's a soap for your phone because it cleans your phone. I reviewed one of my very first phone soaps in February of last year, and since then they've had other phone soap releases. What we'll be talking about right now would be the Phone Soap Pro. First of all, they come in really cute, yummy colors. I have a lavender one and Joshua has a mint green one, and there are even other color choices. Obviously, that's a big plus. So this chest-like thing uses UVC light to kill 99.9% of all the bad stuff on your phone. You can research on UVC and its effectivity with regard to killing bacteria and viruses online. It's all there. But yeah, basically you put your phone inside this chest. It has that reflective material to make sure all the surfaces of your phone is covered. And it only takes 5 minutes and you're good. There's also a hole for your cord so you can sanitize and charge at the same time. Aside from that, the Phone Soap Pro is deep enough to fit your AirPods or keys or other tiny things so that you can sanitize those too. So many people have asked me about the phone soap, and you can pre-order now in the US. They're shipping starting July 21st. That's in a few days, and well, I'll put the link down below. Phone soaps aren't available in Manila, but it's okay guys, I got you. Our second device is the Momax UV box. This thing also uses UVC light to sanitize your phone. There are two modes, an 18-minute cleanse and a more thorough 30-minute cleanse. Works the same way, you put your phone in, press whatever mode you want, and then leave it to sanitize your device. What I love about this is that the lid is also a wireless charger. And not only that, you can add essential oils to this area over here, so that your phone not only comes out clean, it also comes out smelling amazing. That is multitasking and legit going the extra mile right there. The compartment is smaller though, so the Momax box will only take phones, since from experience, AirPods and stuff like that won't fit. But yeah, I still really love this device, and I've been getting everyone in my house to just clean their phones at least once a day. One last thing that I highly suggest you get if you want to be cleaning all your things would be this. So this is the Momax UV pen, and basically it's the lighter, more portable version of the UV box. It's a pen you can bring around so that you can sanitize things on the go, because it's such a tiny, sleek thing, and it comes with this carrying case. There are 3 UVC bulbs on here, and all you need to do is hold it up like 3 to 5 centimeters away from a surface for 10 to 30 seconds, and you good. Also, a quick reminder that UVC light shouldn't be used on people even if they're really, really dirty, unfortunately, nor are they to be used on pets. That being the case, this pen automatically shuts down when it isn't facing down. Both this Momax pen and the Momax UV box are available from Digital Walker, and I'll put the links down below. And just another bonus thing, if you want an even smaller UV light sterilizer, you can get this tiny thing from Green Sun. It's literally the size of my thumb. This thing is pretty straightforward. There are no safety things like the Momax UV stick. Basically, plug it in to make it work and unplug to stop. It has a lightning port, so plug into your iPhone and you're done. Android phone users though, fret not. This also comes with an adapter that you plug in, and this should work for USB-C devices. I'll also try to find the link to this and put it in the description. And folks, that was our first episode of Tech-ish. Some techie things for the non-techie. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about this format in the comment section down below. Before we go though, I just want to point out a few things that you might also like. I recently made a video on the Mi Band 5, which is Xiaomi's newest affordable tracker. It has so many different strap options and so many cute watch faces. And it turns into a remote camera shutter, plus tracks all your health stuff. I'll link it down below. I also have a new video on the Huawei MatePad Pro, which is an awesome portable work solution, especially if you're into using a pen on tablets. And finally, if you're looking for truly wireless earphones and you require them to be cute, like I do, I have a video of truly wireless earphones that come in pink and red. I'll link them down below and up here, so enjoy! Right, this is the actual real goodbye this time. Let me know what you guys would want me to feature on the next tech-ish episode. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's @CisaSaid. Until next time, you guys. Bye!